Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the velvetlox with another wonderful video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy snack or dessert, and it's a strawberry shortcake. Okay, so stay tuned for the video. For this recipe, it calls for two 21-ounce cans of strawberry filler. Okay, being that this is going to be a strawberry shortcake, you need the strawberry filler. So I got two 21-ounce cans. Also, some golden butter delicious moist cake from Duncan Hines. I like this because it is so buttery. Oh my gosh. And of course, with that, you're going to need 3 eggs. Also, you're going to need 1 package of strawberries, some powdered sugar. This is the Domino's confectioner's sugar. All right. Also, in this recipe, you're going to need 3 cups of whipping cream. So I got my Cool Whip whipping cream right here, as well as some butter and 3/4 cups of water. Okay, so you're going to need a blender, you're going to need a pan, and I'm going to be using my little baking pan right here because I need to make a cookie sheet. Now, to start it off, I'm going to empty the cake mix inside of the bowl. And I have my oven preheated for 350 degrees. Next, we're going to add in the 3 eggs. Next, the recipe calls for 7 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and I got my Parquet light butter, so I'm going to use 7 tablespoons of that. And I'm going to also add in the 3/4 cups of water. Okay, now don't laugh at my mixer. This is old school, okay? And it does the job. So I'm just going to mix up my ingredients now. Okay, so now I'm going to grease my pan. So what I like to do is put some butter in my pan. Then I take a little napkin or a paper towel and I just grease it, okay? And I try to get the sides as well, so when the cake rises, it will also be greased and it won't stick to the sides. And then what I like to do also is sprinkle some flour, some regular all-purpose flour, and I like to sprinkle some in there and cover the pan as well with the flour. And you just knock it around like that. And then I throw out the rest. Okay, so your pan should be looking just like that. Then we're gonna just cover our pan. And next we're going to just pop that into our oven. Alright you guys, so now we're back. So now while the cake is in the oven baking, I'm going to start preparing the strawberries. So what you do is you just take the little stems off the strawberries. And then you slice them in half. I finished slicing my strawberries in half. Alright, well now I'm going to add the strawberry pie filling into it. And it also has little canned strawberries in there as well. But we're going to add that on top. And you add both cans in there. I mean, this looks so good. Now we're just going to mix this in together. And you can make this for any event, you guys. Any event. This is such a wonderful, easy recipe. So in the meantime now, I'm just going to cover this and pop it in my refrigerator. Alright you guys, so now we're off to the last step. Okay, now we're going to be using our confectioner's sugar, and we're going to need 1.5 cups of that. Alright, so we have 1.5 cups, 1.5 to 2 cups of our confectioner's sugar, and we're just going to put that in the bowl. Next, we're going to add 3 cups of our whipping cream. This is about, should we put this whole one in here? Because this is 12 ounces. Now we just need about 4 ounces in here. Okay, that should be about. And now you're just going to mix that together. So that is done, that is ready. So I'm going to put this in my refrigerator and wait for the cake to finish mixing. So now I'm just going to test it to see if it's finished. Oh yes, nice and moist. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to let this cool, and when this is finished cooling, then I'm going to show you how to prepare your cake. Okay, you guys, so I am back, And now I'm getting ready to set up the cake, okay? So what you do when your cake is cool, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start slicing it into squares. So I'm gonna show you like this. You just take the knife and you just run it down the cake. What you're doing is you're gonna try to okay, so we got our lines going down. Now we're going to do our lines going across. Just like that. And like I said, shout out to It's So Good. That's another YouTube channel. That's where I got this wonderful recipe from. And I tell you, she has some wonderful things on her channel. And when you go over there to her channel, spam her channel and let her know that I recreated her strawberry shortcake. All right, so once you set your cake, you cut it into cubes. Now you're going to take your spatula okay, so now comes the creation time, okay? All right, so we're just going to take some of our cake. We're going to layer it at the bottom. And then you're going to take your spoon and we're going to get our strawberries in there. If you hear anybody in the background, that's Desiree, okay? Her mouth is watering right now.
Good.
Oh,
Twinkie would have a good time in that bowl.
what? Twinkie's not getting any of this. Alright. And this kitchen is smelling the bomb, you guys. Next we're going to take our sugar, our cream, and we're going to put our cream in there.
This is too much. So good.
Okay, so now that we finished that, we're going to do layer number 2. I'm just gonna do the topping. Oops. Okay, and that is a wonderful, easy strawberry shortcake that you can make for any type of event, whether it's a birthday. So thank you all for joining me on this wonderful, wonderful video idea that I got from It's So Good. Like I said, go check her channel out. And this is a wonderful creation for my son's birthday. Specially handmade with the love from mom's hands, okay? And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell on. And when you turn it on, make sure you select all, okay? Because YouTube has changed the settings to the notification bell. So select all. If you want to see more wonderful video ideas like this, comment down below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried the recipe for yourself and how it came out. And I will see you again in the next video.
Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.